Frequently asked questions with Cody.
Hey guys, Cody over here at Jaguar Power Sports. I wanted to go over some tips and home testing on a battery and maybe even diagnose some problems you're having that may result in a dead battery. So if you guys come closer, we'll check this one out and go over a few things. So if you have a multimeter, these are very handy at home. We want to go to 20 direct current. And when checking your battery, negative to negative, positive to positive. All right, now so it's showing on our voltmeter here, over here with these numbers. Anything between a 12.2 to a 12.6 is a good charged battery. And while starting the unit, anything that may drop to a 9.5 is what I like to see when you hit the starter button and the motor is turning over. Now typically what you would hear would be a click from the starter button or a buzz coming from under your seat. That is typically a dead battery. What I recommend, if you don't have this accessibility to a voltmeter, auto parts stores check batteries for free. And then I highly recommend, in the long run in the power sports and for your own good at home, is invest in a trickle charger or a battery tender. Something that is always going to keep the battery charged, and you always know that when you jump on your four-wheeler or dirt bike, you're going to be good to go and it's going to start up every time. Thanks guys, and appreciate your time.